In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your email to default to full screen in Gmail. This is a handy little trick if you find yourself constantly adjusting your email window for a better viewing experience. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to Google. You can open your browser and type Google into the address bar, or simply use your Google Chrome or any other browser you've got. Once you are on the Google homepage, our next step is to sign in. You'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner. Give that a click and enter your email and password to access your Google account. Great, now that you've signed in, we're all set to head over to Gmail. Look for the Gmail link, which is typically shown as a part of your Google Apps grid or directly at the top of the homepage. Just click on it and it will bring you straight to your Gmail dashboard where all of your emails live. Once you're at your Gmail dashboard, you should see a Compose button somewhere towards the top left corner. This is what you'll use to draft new emails. Go ahead and click on Compose. A new message window will pop up, usually somewhere in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now while in the Compose window, you'll notice there's a small icon that allows you to enlarge this window. This icon usually looks like an arrow or two arrows pointing in opposite directions. When you click on it, voila! It expands the Email Compose window to full screen, giving you a more spacious area to work within. This is perfect for when you're drafting longer emails or just prefer a clutter-free view. After adjusting your window, if you'd like this to be the default view every time you compose an email, just remember to repeat this step a couple of times whenever you start a fresh email so that Gmail can learn your preference. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now set your Gmail Compose window to default to full screen. This should make your email tasks a bit more efficient and comfortable. Remember, this setup doesn't take long and it can definitely make a big difference in organizing how you manage your emails. As always, if you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with friends or colleagues who might also benefit from it. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more streamlined email composing experience from here on out.